delivered Israel.
yanunula Isirayiri.
That's why I said,
yensonga lwaki ngamba
you
gwe
and the Holy Ghost
n'omwoyo omutukuvu
are a team enough
muli ttiimu emala
to deliver
okununula
your family,
ennyumba yammwe,
to deliver
okununula
your church,
ekkanisa yammwe,
to deliver
okununula
your generation.
omulembe gwo.
You and the Holy Ghost,
gwe n'omwoyo omutukuvu
you are a team enough.
muli ttiimu emala,
You are a team
muli
enough
ttiimu emala
to do it.
okukikola. katayararara.
Somebody hunger for the Holy
wabeera
Ghost.
funa enjala ku y'omwoyo omutukuvu.
Somebody hunger for the Holy Ghost.
wabeera funa enjala ey'omwoyo omutukuvu.
Holy Ghost come upon
omwoyo
us.
omutukuvu tukeeko.
Holy Ghost come upon us.
omwoyo omutukuvu tukeeko.
The same way you fed upon
mu
Gideon.
ngeri emu gye wakka ku Gideoni,
The same way you fed upon
ngeri emu gye
Deborah
wakka ku Deborah
and Barak.
ne Barak,
The same way you came upon
mu ngeri emu gye wakka
Samuel
ku Samwiri